Why you should use MoneyWorks4Me? How is it different than other players? And the unstated question, how do you know if it's right for you? Sadly, not everyone realizes the full benefit of investing in equity. The biggest challenge of investing in equity is lack of knowledge and then the overload of information, opinions and tips, which only adds up the complications. Going through ups and downs of the market is like sailing in an ocean where you have no clue which direction you are headed, and especially when you are doing it without any process. This puts you in a situation where you feel afraid, confused and overwhelmed. Such feelings lead most of the investors to enter and exit from their equity investment at precisely the wrong time and thus losing. Now surprisingly, this also happens for people who have virtually outsourced their investing to some experts. Why is it so? It is because most investors are not able to judge whether their advisor is doing the right things, whether he is following a right process or no. This either keeps them away from investing enough in equities or makes them stay away completely from investing. Now the most important part is the investor's confidence. Investors' confidence and the conviction in the advice is crucial for this success. As they say, you can't buy nor borrow conviction. You only have to earn it through your experience. But for many people, this experience is bad and full of traumas. The worst part is, despite of all these traumatic experiences, it doesn't help them to learn anything. On the contrary, it demoralizes them to stay away from investing. MoneyWorks4Me enables you to build the required confidence and conviction. But how? The MoneyWorks4Me platform shares with you the reliable investment process and easy to understand and use information and tools with real-time data, analysis and insights, which enables you to take sensible investment decisions and also implement it. This unmatched transparency and sharing is what builds your conviction in the advice. Now for example, for this particular stock, you need answer to 3 essential questions before you decide whether to invest in this stock or not. Is it the right stock to invest in? What is the right price? And is it the right time? You will find the tools like Decision Maker, Company X-Ray, Unique Price Chart and Analyst Note, all with live data and analysis that enable you to understand our recommendation and take decisions with confidence. Like any other tool, after a little practice, you become skilled at using them only to make your decisions better and faster. MoneyWorks4Me way of investing is to invest in quality, earn healthy returns and stay invested for long and let the power of compounding do its magic. This assures user that their hard-earned money will not be exposed to speculation and high risk. What is investing with MoneyWorks4Me like? MoneyWorks4Me is a tech-assisted but not a robo-advisory. We have a balanced approach of using technology, the equity analysts and the investment counselors to ensure you get the best of all. We encourage you to ask us questions without hesitating. Pucho befikar, because it helps build the mutual trust. From the very beginning in 2009, MoneyWorks4Me is a zero conflict research and advisory. We do not earn any commission or brokerage on the investments made by our customers. This keeps us away from all other incentives, but only to work for our customers. While much of what is available on the site is free for all users, there are different paid solutions that suits different profile. In summary, to make your money work harder for you, you need to invest some of it in equities. However, investing successfully in equities requires you to have conviction in the advice and to trust your advisor. This requires a very different approach and relationship. MoneyWorks4Me through its platform, equity analyst and the investment counselor transparently shares a safe and reliable investment process. It equips you with easy to understand tools and use information with real-time data, analysis and insights. You can not only make a decision here, but also implement it right away. This unmatched transparency, sharing of the facts that we are a fiduciary, which means we only work for our customers, is why you can trust us and our advice and invest in equities successfully.